Alright people, so welcome. We're doing a small synopsis. Basically watch a game, Stats versus Calabar. I hope so when I see the screen good, when I see the board good. Stats versus Calabar. This you see here in red is Stats. And what you see here so is Calabar. Calabar deploy now somewhat 4-3-3. That's how Calabar deploy. And we see them, twice we see them, right? Twice we see Calabar versus Kingston College, and we also see Calabar versus Stats. So I have a good idea of what to expect from Calabar. Andrew Price, I don't know tactics, so don't feel like I give me a tactics. Because one, I can't chat be a foolishness. So. And all that we can agree is MG Sports love chat foolishness. So, anyways, Stats deploy in a 3-5-2 with a double base and attacking midfielder right here, so Agite Marshall. Now, what happened in this game is Stats centre back here. Them two centre back here are Stats best player in regards to the defensive part of the game. The danger outlet for Calabar is right here, so on the right wing, the youngster, they call him, what they call the youngster again, Knockins? Saka.
The reason why you did it, I said Knockins, because me and Faye did it, do the thing with
so Saka the right.
People, but they don't know.
Saka the right, so.
Saka, what you want to go to? You want to tell them how Saka play first of all?
Alright, so Saka is a flair, very flair winger. Come inside the midfield sometime, form a 3, sometimes he switch on the right, and on the left.
And Dino would have come over here.
Yeah.
So they switch wings a lot, especially when they realize that Saka not having a good game. Because Saka is them talisman, so they need Saka to have a good game.
And to be on the ball. So, anyway, so let's pretend this is Saka. Anyways, so this is Saka. So as the game proceeds, we see, but most of the time, Stats in the final third. Stats on the attack. These are the spaces where Stats take up.
High press.
High press, very high.
Very high. Them stay on the halfway line.
Yeah, them play very high.
Remember some of the stuff.
Yeah. This Gooden. Them play a really high line. So Kolonji.
So I'm to that.
Yeah man, incoming. So them tucking. So, yeah, these are 3, but remember say Gooden kind of play a little bit higher-ish.
That is true.
And he play wide.
Yeah, and him did do that for Quail out Saka.
Exactly. So because this is Saka. Gooden stay very close to Saka. White, Smith, J. Smith, in kind of free, he make himself available, consistently free. Right back, the right centre back, him kind of do most like clean, do a lot of clean up work. So because they're right here, so this is where they nullify, this is how they nullify case Calabar, Saka. Them try to get Saka out of the game, right there, so. So what end up is that Andrew Price end up switch Saka, put him over there, so make it next winger, so because J. Smith and Gooden kind of contain Saka through most of the game. Now, this is how them nullify the Calabar team. This is how they nullify the Calabar team. Then they play mostly on the right hand side. Then what the pet marker? Pass the marker. See the marker there. So you find out say this is say ball the right so in the space here. J. Smith and the ball. This is the diagonal I look for. In behind the right back. Kevin Hall that. Consistently, time and time again, Kevin Hall getting behind the right back. Remember, say if I know Andrew Price end up pull the right back. So I suck him now because I think he kind of tuck in.
Remember to the whole say him actually play right here, so you know.
Exactly.
But the thing with this right back, you know, him have a little problem, and that's why the coach have to coach him right throughout the match. Him don't know when to go out or when to come in.
Yes,
and that did leave when him could exploit this position as this.
Good.
Which is good. So he actually, watch the ball game now. What did he say about it?
So the game, all Stats scored the goal was this. Striker make the run, defender make the run, the winger pull off. This man was a decoy. Run ground, defender go with him. This man get the ball free. Here comes Kevin Hall attacking the back post. This is how the winger did. Him talking. But him a ball watch. Ball a build up in a play right so ball reach so.
Him still right there.
Him still right there so him a ball watch. When this man play the ball, him play the ball basically through one line so. Him play the ball through line right so. So them two are ball watch. And this is Kevin Hall a breaking the box right on the top. So he kind of outside, a little bit outside of the box. So him breaking at the back. But right here, him did a kind of ball watch. So him breaking line, ball come cross, keeper come cross, and him finish the ball across the keeper. Really, really good goal, me believe. But them win the game, Stats win the game right so.
Right.
Nullifying Saka.
Yes, right there, so no,
right, that's all.
Good. So in China, that's one thing I did like.
In try. Even when him switch.
Try and switch.
You know this one, when he switch and Kevin come over so, I'll be a whole for 1v1.
Yep.
But you know the problem, when you get past the defender, yeah, here comes J-Lide and good.
Still coming back.
Still coming back. So they really nullify them.
They really nullify.
One of the key player for Stats, one of the key player for Stats is this man. Agite. In the everywhere, pick up his spaces, and these are the spaces that I pick up.
He gets that free role in Stats team. So him not saying that him don't work hard enough, but him have that role to dictate the play. Where he can come deep and pop out anywhere in the pitch for collect the ball and for keep the attack ticking. And
then target this centre back, the number 4.
You're number 4. You're number 4.
I'm not a good baller, man. No, I like him profile. I really like him profile.
You can go on what, Facebook, IG, which profile? I don't know.
Him tall, him built, him strong.
Him tall till him reach the wall up there or whatever.
So, but them target him still.
Yes, because he's not technically a stone.
Yeah.
He's not technically sound at all.
But me like him play.
But
I think
him can learn that in the future. But may I tell you, why not use a technical player right now and make him even better?
No.
You kind of think backwards. That's what them
but you see, the Calabar Central, I think he had a good game. Unfortunately, just a difficult game for him. Tough. So overall, that is how them nullify, by nullifying this man.
Or if him over here, sir, over here, so.
Yeah, anyway. Whichever part in there. So anyways, people, we're not.
You go further next. The coach picks right now. For what? Everybody are gonna do what's that do. I like it.
Coach, the one that vexed me, I beg you, please. That's all because ask Schoolboy football. Let's not on serious. Big up on yourself, people.
Calabar, old boys them, rush him. Rush him.
Big up on yourself, people.